Eastbound.
937, give me the radio. I got him. We're going on Stanley, heading eastbound.
There's a Dayton ramp, I think it's behind us.
Eastbound on Stanley, approaching Troy. Speeds are approximately 70 miles an hour.
Where are we at? Still east,
Still eastbound on Stanley, just crossed over Troy. Speeds are approximately 62 miles per hour eastbound.
County cars are right next to the family. Just so who's got the ball.
I'm going to attempt to pit right here. Eastbound on Rita. Westbound on Walters. Back on Alaska, heading back out towards Leo. Going westbound on Leo.
Cruise on Pac 3, he's westbound on Leo from Alaska.
On Baltimore.
Make a right here.
He just lost a fender. Westbound on Warner. On Notre Dame. On Hart Street. Going eastbound. Southbound on Bestop. Back on Chapel, heading towards Children's. Okay, passing Children's. Going eastbound, just past Children's on Valley. Looks like he's got a front flat tire. He just got hit. Stanley, spinning out of control. Show me your damn hands!